Everything in the universe is made of atoms. The air you breathe, the water you drink, even you. But what exactly is an atom? How is it structured? And why does it matter? In today's video, we're diving deep into the structure of the atom, one of the most fascinating and fundamental topics in chemistry. An atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains the properties of an element. It's incredibly small. Millions can fit on the head of a pin. But despite its size, it's made up of three main subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons live in the nucleus at the center. Electrons move around the nucleus in regions we call energy levels or shells. Let's take a closer look at these subatomic particles. Protons are positively charged particles. The number of protons in an atom is called the atomic number, and it defines what element the atom is. For example, every hydrogen atom has 1 proton, while carbon has 6. Neutrons have no charge. They're neutral. Their job is to add mass and stabilize the nucleus. The total number of protons and neutrons gives us the mass number of an atom. Electrons are negatively charged and incredibly light. They orbit the nucleus in energy levels. The number of electrons usually equals the number of protons, keeping the atom neutral. In 1913, physicist Niels Bohr proposed a model of the atom where electrons orbit the nucleus in fixed paths or shells. Each shell can hold a certain number of electrons. The first shell holds 2, the second holds 8, the third can hold up to 18, and so on. Electrons fill from the lowest energy level up. This model helps us understand how atoms interact in chemical bonding. While Bohr's model is useful, the modern quantum model gives us a more accurate picture. Instead of fixed orbits, electrons exist in clouds, regions where they are likely to be found. These areas are called orbitals, and they come in different shapes. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more chemistry videos. See you in the next one.